Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Ecwid store to Amazon. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you've not already, and after doing so you want to go ahead and log in the upper right corner to your account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and log in, create a new one, and after doing so successfully, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, where at the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding our Amazon to our Ecwid store. So basically, what we're looking for, guys, is right here, the left side screen. You want to go ahead and open up the apps section. So you're going to have your apps right here, as you can see. That's going to enable you to open up the app market. By opening up the app market, it's going to open up this marketplace where you can take a look at all the apps you can get started with using for your store, and what you want to search for in the search bar in the upper left corner is Amazon. After searching for Amazon, it's going to give us all the search results for Amazon, and what you can do is find the best application you want to use. This is one of them, guys, called Amazon Dropshipper. That's going to enable you to go ahead and start dropshipping any product from Amazon, 19 marketplaces, and so on, that you can get started with connecting to your account. So by using this application, you can click the install button that's going to appear right here for your upgraded plan, and after installing it, you'll be able to find it in your apps section. And with that, guys, you'll be able to find all the Amazon products that you need and connect them to your Ecwid store. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.